Dear friends, good morning. In this video tutorial, we'll learn CSS background and different properties of background and how to use background image, background color, background attachment, image position, etc. So this is a very important topic of CSS. Try to learn. First open VS Code, delete all the code, Control V, delete. I'm started from the beginning. Shift exclamation tab, open it HTML boilerplate CSS background H1 tag learning CSS background tag background P lorem 1000. There is something to teach you. For this I need big paragraph. Now what is background? Background color, you can change body background color, you can change paragraph background color, or any tags or any elements of HTML. You can change the background color. You can use a background image in whole website body. So how to do that? Body BGC. Say for example we want to change background color. What are the topic we will discuss? Background color first. Background color gray. See in the live server, we see in the live server background color. We did not link it. Let us link the CSS file, CSS folder, then style.css. We have linked. Now the background color has been changed. So this is the way we change the background color of whole body. Now we can change the background color of this H1 tag. H1 BGC color, background color blue. So we have changed the background color. Let's text align center. Text align is centered. Font color. Let's change the color of the font. Red. Font color is changed. Let's remove the background color. It does not look nice. Now background color. We know how to change, how to use the background color. Let's use background image. BGC image. Body. Here we can use it. BGC hyphen image. This is the shortcut in VS Code. VS Code is very useful. Background image, you have to write URL, then first bracket, then look for the folder where the images is. Say for example we use an image inside the root directory. With the CSS we get copy an image and place it in the root directory. Let me explain clearly so that you don't face any difficulty further. Background image, which one we kept inside the CSS folder? Kids. If you just you write kids here dot jpg, we see /kids. Now see the background image has been displayed. One important note here for using background image, write URL and define the path. If the file is inside the root directory, you have to use a / then the file, and we'll discuss more. Now, if we use an image inside another folder, the folder is inside the root directory, then you have to select the folder first, /must images oblique. See, there are few file marriage. Let us say now this is the images. Now we have seen there are too many images. So how to use one image? Back BZC repeat, no repeat. If I write this code, the image will be 1. Background size BZC hyphen size cover. If we use that, we'll see only one image cover fully the whole body. So let us remove this background size. We have to explain more little bit. Now see, if background image is in one side, we can put it anywhere. Background position, using background position, right side, background right top. We can move this background image. We have to use background right. Now there is another one property, background position, background attachment, scroll. If we use a scroll, we'll see scroll, then we have to use more paragraph. Now see, it is fixed and scroll. But if you use fixed, what happened? Let's see, the image is fixed. So if we use fixed, background image fixed, then the image is fixed. Let us use background size cover, BZC size cover. Let's see. Now the paragraph content is moving, but since the background image is fixed, it fixed in one place. For our web development or application development, we sometimes needs background image compatible with the content and color. So this is the way we will use background image, background color, and background fixed, background repeat. But what we can do, we can write it short. Background, BGC, background, no need color, background, URL, images, family, background, no repeat, fixed. Then let's see. So this is the way we can color, we can change also. Red, see, background color also changed. Now the images, no repeat, fixed, cover. If we write cover, see what happened. It is background size. Oh, we have to use background size separately. BGC size, background size, cover. See, background size, cover. So in short, we can write this way: background URL, then no repeat, fixed, background color. But background size we have to use differently. So what else remaining in this? Background position, shorthand, we have learned everything about background. So thank you very much for watching this video. Dear friends, please subscribe my video so that I can continue and get encouraged from you. I hope you understand my video clearly. If you don't, please try to watch more and more and you will understand.